Dear business owner, what if I told you that integrating compelling videos into your business can be a substantial contribution to your business overall success in this digital age? Let me shock you. Do you know that videos offers you a dynamic way for you to engage with your customers? Videos also explains your products and services and builds your brand's awareness. Videos also conveys information and enhances market strategies. Effective. Videos fosters a stronger connection with your audience and contributes to your visibility and sales. So friends, for more tips on how to grow your business with videos, or you want to learn how to create professional video ads for your business, then this channel is for you. Make sure to subscribe, like this video and turn on notifications so that each time I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. Until next time.